So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's moving always on the move, and today is our last day at Bali region, and now we are going at Seminyak Beach and Seminyak Square. Today was a little bit lazy day as we were very much tired of from the Nusa Penida day tour. So we started late. We had a leisurely brunch at Cafe Bar attached to our hotel. Let me tell you, it is they offer very tasty food. Now we are headed towards Seminyak Beach, which is again only 11-minute walk from here, from the place where we are staying. And beyond that, there is one famous place called Seminyak Square. We'll be going over there. It is a little bit further, but we want to explore the entire Seminyak region. That's why we'll be going by walk first. Let's see how much we can walk. Maybe while coming back we'll take a Grab. But to take a Grab, it's a task because here there is always traffic. So whenever we take a Grab, we are stuck in traffic for almost 15 to 20 minutes minimum. So it's always best to walk if you are new to the city, new to the place. So stay tuned as we'll be heading towards Seminyak Beach, and I will show you the locals, how the city is, how this Kuta, Seminyak and Aegean region is. You can see a lot of Australians in this area because this part of Bali is Bali itself is only 5,000 rupees flight ticket to Australia. So usually people from Australia comes for holiday over here. And if you see the menu cards and the cafes and the bars in this particular region called Legion, Kuta and Seminyak, you see Australian menu a lot. So these are the small alleys of Legion. The beautiful boutiques are nice. Excuse me, how much for this one? And this also?
For the captain is 284,000 and for the pen 280.
Idea. Indonesian rupiah.
Yeah.
It is pure linen.
It's not linen, it's from France. It's called France.
It's a brand.
Also embroidered.
Okay, hand woven. It's nice. It's a brand. Okay. Handmade natural fabric. That's why it's expensive. It's hand woven. All the clothes here are hand woven. This is one thing which is very famous in here. You get vape here and it is legal and can be used. We don't have, this is not legal in India. We cannot carry this back in India.
Is this legal in India?
This is not legal.
Oh, this is not legal.
Yeah, they won't let us take this to India. So it's fascinating for us Indians to see that this is legal in here. So what
my
is,
English is bad.
this is a this is disposable.
Yes.
And how much it is for?
170.
Huh?
170.
170.
Yes.
1,000. 1,70,000 IDR, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is disposable. How many puffs?
2,000 pound.
Oh, nice.
I
That's
have this
better.
one, stronger
This is with
taste.
battery.
This is 3.5%.
So this is without battery.
This
This does not have battery. This is disposable,
is
na?
have battery.
It has battery also.
Yes.
Yes, we charge this song, we charge.
No, but this one is disposable. So even it has battery.
This one is have a
This
battery.
is use and throw, na?
Yes.
2,000 puffs over then throw. Yeah, this is disposable. You have to throw it out.
Yes.
It is not reused, na?
Yeah.
This is reused. These things are reused. How much for this one? The one which can be charged and reused.
This
Price?
one, 210.
210. Okay. So this can be charged and it has a battery in it.
Yes.
Okay. These are different flavors also, right?
Yes. This is different flavor.
Grape
Watermelon, strawberry ice cream, grape, berry fusion.
Apple blast.
So yours is exclusive shop for vape only.
Yes.
That's nice.
Vape only.
It works here. A lot of customers comes in here.
Yes.
Good. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the
Thank you.
information. तो येईल पण चल विचारूया आपण आता. Excuse me. Is this of her size?
Yes, which one?
This one.
This with size.
Her.
Here size for you. This size.
That is design. हाँ show that blue. How much for this? How much?
250.
250 pant पर ले जा.
Have a look.
You have to negotiate.
That is different.
That's big size. That's same style. This one is short.
See this small size Birkenstocks. So cute. What is the name of the area? This? What market?
Okay.
Legion Market. What is the name of the market?
This place. Which what place? Which place?
Semenia Kutabari. कृष्ण त्याच्याकडे पण चांगले आहेत बघ ते है ना चपला लेदर शॉपिंग lot of sculptures are used in all the hotels, all the houses and the buildings over here. Look at the dragon sculpture. Italia. Must be Italian food restaurant. As I told you again and again, they have multiple cuisine available in this city of Bali. So you don't feel homesick for long. You can have Indian food, Italian, Australian, English, continental, Taiwanese, Vietnamese, Balinese. So all type of cuisines are available. You just have to look for it. There are five-star hotels, 3-star hotels, 2-star hotels. Everybody services very homely and nice. So we've reached at Semenia Beach entrance. Let's see exactly what it stays, because when I Google searched it, it was saying only 11 minutes walk from my place, the Seminyak beach. These people also follows Mahabharata a lot. So there are so many Mahabharata characters, sculptures you can see all over the Bali. So this is Arjuna entrance. That is what they mentioned. Lots of people. It's too much heat. Today came here for sunset. Look at the cafes on. And the best part is they always put a menu outside their cafes, bars, restaurants, so that tourists can see and check whether they like the menu or not, or whether they want to go inside to have this food or not. So that's the best part in here. Not able to keep my eyes open. Look, this looks like a beach food. Yeah, since you are at Seminyak. Look at this, we are at the Seminyak beach now. It's very close to where we stay. It's only 11 minutes walk. We are going at Seminyak Square, which is again 10 to 15 to 20 minutes walk from this beach side, and we have to travel and walk passing through the beach to reach Seminyak Square. So Seminyak is again a very happening area where all the live things happen. Here only there is a big beach club called Fins, which I'm not able to visit because I don't have that much time to visit Fins club. But I'll be visiting Seminyak beach. Let's see. Best route of transport in Bali is comparatively cheaper also and easier, because the alleys are too small, and trust me, I've told you a number of times, the traffic is worse here. But if you are traveling by bike, then it's more convenient to pass through the small alleys and reach your destination faster, so that you can cover maximum part of Bali. So I highly recommend you to rent a bike if you can drive a two-wheeler. It's a faster way to travel across Bali, and also the cheaper one. You get it for 80,000 IDR, 1 lakh IDR, 1 lakh 10,000 IDR, depends upon how big your vehicle is. Look at the sculptures, as I told you time and again. It is famous for their beautiful sculptures. Even if I'm walking for 15, 20, 40 minutes also, I don't feel tired if the surrounding is like this. You can shop around, you can look around, there are different, everywhere your eyes goes, every place is beautiful. Looks like the back side of a cafe which has a beach front. Okay. Yes. two-wheelers parked around this area. Have been booked by travelers. The best part is finally I got to see some street food. What is it called as?
Ludo and Red Bull. Egg.
What is the name of a dish?
Yeah.
Dish का नाम क्या है? What is the name of a dish?
Mie ayam.
Mie ayam. अच्छा mie ayam. How much for this?
Huh?
How much for this mie ayam? Huh?
30.
30. That's really cheap. 30,000 for mie ayam, which has meatballs, a boiled egg, boiled and fried egg, noodles, and a lot of sauces. So cool. To the villas and the cottages to stay. M Mart is everywhere for your convenience. I think we have reached. Where we came across the Masta.
One 100,000.